We must assemble a few parts on the pump for it to work properly. Here you can see we have the siphon tube, spray hose, and gun. These all need to be connected. First, we will connect the siphon tube to the pump. Realize that with more viscous products, you can configure the pump with a hopper seen here, or the lower can be directly immersed into the coating to aid in priming the equipment. Next, securely attach the spray line to the pump. Once connected, attach the spray line to the end of the gun and then tighten firmly. Once the siphon hose, spray line, and gun are attached, we must ground the pump to prevent static electricity from building up and causing a spark or shock. Ground the bucket as an added safety precaution. Now that the pump is set up and grounded, we will need to hook up the air line to power the air motor. Connect the air line and make sure to use a whip check and cotter pin to secure the air line. Before turning on the pump, make sure to add a throat seal around the piston shaft. This is commonly known as TSL. TSL helps keep the piston from wearing the packings prematurely, thus extending the life cycle of your equipment. Your pump is now set up and ready to use.